Good evening, everyone. This live may be long and it may not be long. Now, for a long period of time, right? All this shit has been going around about this shit with this Kadem and this address and the name that's attached to it, right? Which is Shannon Brown. At the end of the day, like I said in my upload, January the 8th, 2015, 5:30 in the morning, Shannon Brown died. Period. And if anybody can understand what I'm about to say after this, then you understand where the fuck I'm coming from, where I've been, and where the fuck I'm coming from. I don't give a fuck about that shit that they are talking about. I have been living my life. And you may say, oh, well, who is Sakina? Sakina is my attribute. Okay? My Muslim attribute, period. That's my attribute. That's the name that I have been living by since that shit happened. Now, what people fail to realize is when you go digging and people have changed things, that's there in the public. That's what the name was under. When you go through the course and you change certain things, and people feel as though that, oh, I'm exposing this or I'm exposing that. You're not exposing a motherfucking thing without honestly exposing the whole fucking truth. Now, I'm going to say this to you, JJ. At the end of the day, if the people who watched that video that you put up so far, if they were as even minutely as smart as I thought people was, they would have pointed out the biggest thing to you at the top of that fucking information you call yourself exposing. You're not exposing a police report. That's not what you're exposing. You're so stupid to the fact that you don't even know what Brown versus Lackawanna means. You don't know the difference between a plaintiff and a defendant. I can tell because you think you got something. But I'm going to show you better than I can tell you. I'm going to show you how illiterate you are. You're not the brightest apple. And then you're lying, which does become defamation. You're lying and you're saying things like that this house was already condemned. You say, oh, I don't care about a lawsuit. This is what you say, but it's all in part of what my claims is going to be towards you. I don't give a fuck about you going to jail, not having no money. You still can sue a person, right? And you can go to jail for defamation of character. Now, see, since we're going to fuck with it, okay, you should care about a lawsuit because according to you, you say the apartment was already condemned at the time of your arrest. How was it already condemned at the time of my arrest when you are over there reading? You're reading the time that they came inside the house, which was 5:30 in the morning. So how would the house already be condemned at the time of my arrest? There would be no time on there for them to come into the house. But see, I'm gonna show you something also, because January the 15th is on that paperwork that you have, that lawsuit that you're over there reading to them, the file for the lawsuit. Okay, I'm gonna show you something else. See, because you're ignorant, and not only are you ignorant, you're stupid, right? Hold on, because I don't need nobody to say, oh, well, that's not the condemn. I'm going to show you something. I'm going to show you something. I don't care anymore about this extra bullshit. I really don't. What does that say? Condemn, right? Address, all that is on there, like you say. 912 Mount Vernon Avenue, right? That's the condemn. What date is that? 1/8/15. January the 8th, 2015. So there is no way that the house could have already been condemned at the time of my arrest. So you're debunked on that, okay? Okay. Hold on. You really are. You're debunked on that. Then you said that there were heroin charges, right? You said they found I had heroin charges. Now these heroin charges, I really would like for you to pull them out. Okay. Now I really think that you should have allowed for Mo to look this over before you have presented it, because she would have told you this isn't a police report. This is Shannon D. Brown, plaintiff. You know what a plaintiff is? Which means versus Lackawanna County City. Huh? Detective Vincent R. Brunswick, probation officer Nina Gomez. Those are the defendants. Do you know the difference between a plaintiff and a defendant? But I'm saying you're over. Hold on. Let's not take that off the screen yet. Hold on. You can't play me, nigga. I got paid. Huh? Illegal search and siege. Huh? See, you have to read the whole motherfucking shit. Read it. You have to read all of it. All of it. Because in January, when was it? July. When was it? The end of July, I get my motherfucking first settlement check. Yeah, I sure did. Because remember all that time that they were sitting around here saying, oh, she got some money back. She got some money back. She got some money back. I sure did. I get settlement money from those motherfuckers. Those same defendants that was down there. There was a lawsuit filed against them for illegally entering in that fucking crib. Now, why don't you read them that part of it? Because that is what you're reading. The lawsuit. Huh? Oh, okay. Okay, at the end of the day, you nor no motherfucking body else can shame me off of that. It's the same thing with fucking Breonna Taylor. Her situation happened afterwards, okay? I was the only one in that house. Go ahead and read all of it, my nigga. Read every bit of it. Now you say that there was a heroin charge. Oh, you was already on probation for prostitution and drug. Read every fucking thing that is on there, because at this point, I'm not the one looking like the fool. You are. You are. Because the people who are watching you, somebody should have emailed you and told you. Versus mean lawsuit. That means she sued them. Period, point, motherfucking blank. Heroin, all this other shit that you're talking, all this other shit. Put it out there along with your HIV. I'm not beat, burnt, nor hurt. Because you want to know something? I already been there, done that, and I'm still here. So there's nothing that you can do. It's nothing that you or nobody else on these YouTube streets can put out. What is it? What you showing them? You ain't showing them shit. We had to refile 3 times. You should have more in there except for that one. It should show you 3 of them. The first one, they dismissed. We had to come back and do it again. The second time, dismissed. We had to come back and do it a third time. The third time was a winner, a fucking knockout. Show them that. Their insurance company had to fucking pay me for exactly what the fuck you are over there reading. So I want to know when heroin was found. You said, and I smoke spice. Do you understand when they come into your house, they are supposed to take pictures. They are supposed to have evidence. Now, guess what will also be available to the public? Any type of evidence that they found in that fucking house. Anything that they found in that fucking house. I'm just saying, go back over there and reread your own shit. You don't got me hurt out in these YouTube streets. I got you hurt. Hmm? Hmm? I got you hurt. I got you hurt to the point, nigga, I got you digging. I got you digging about court reports. I got you digging about charges. I got you digging. See, the first time it didn't work with me, sir. And it's not working with me. I don't give a fuck. Do what you have to do. In order for you to get content, and we want to see the proof of the Sakina Owen motherfucking Tiffany Draper money. Can you please find a video on that? Find it. And that's how I feel. Go ahead and find it. I'm not worried about none of that. I don't think that you read anything the proper way, because the only thing that you see is police and police. You didn't even know that you were sitting there reading them the motherfucking file for the lawsuit. You couldn't have thought that you was reading. You had to think that you was reading them the police report. That would have looked better on your behalf if you was just reading the police report. What you read was that of the filing of the fucking lawsuit. So we don't give a fuck. You got to give a fuck. You read it. You presented it. You don't even know what you over there reading. I'm Gucci. I'm good. Huh? I'm happy. My man is happy. We don't even celebrate the holidays, and we're happier than you are. How about that? I don't care no more, Tina. It is what it is on these YouTube streets. And that's how I feel. I'm going to live my life as who the fuck I am. And whether any fucking body like it or not. The only difference is, well, fucking that Breonna Taylor shit, that's why when you guys was asking me, oh, can you do the story on Breonna Taylor? Fuck no, I could not. Not after I already been through that shit. Not after I already been through that. My fucking ex-husband was in jail. I'm in there by myself, 5 o'clock, 5:30 in the morning. These motherfuckers, I thought somebody was breaking in. This motherfucker had a double barrel shotgun. If you move, I'm going to blow your brains out. They had no business in there because the search warrant, you dumb motherfucker, say do not enter a home. You can only enter a home between the hours of 6 a.m. and fucking 10 p.m. Go back and read it, bitch. They was in there at 5:30. Illegal search and siege. Go back and read it, motherfucker, and present it to them the right way. Hey, King James, present it to them the right way, because y'all are dealing with a lot of motherfuckers who don't know anything about the law. Take it to motherfucking Mo, because Mo would have told your ass. I wouldn't put this up there. I wouldn't put the top up there. I wouldn't put none of it up there because it clearly have plaintiff and defendants, meaning she sued them. So it's nothing. You can't ride my back. What you riding my back off of me getting a bag from the detectives and the motherfucking probation? What you riding my back off of? Because that's the only thing that you could be riding my back off of. And not only that, it's another one coming against the fucking judge. You have to go through the city and the state of fucking Pennsylvania to sue a fucking judge. That part. I'm not beat, worried. I'm just waiting, just like I was with that. The motherfucking lawsuit was filed in 2015. I won the motherfucking case in 2019. What's up, my nigga? I asked you, did you want me to get motherfucking Big Red to help you? But since you are publicly lying on charges that I do not have, you said that there was heroin found in that house. Yeah, it does become what I said. It doesn't matter whether you go to jail. It's not even about suing you. Hmm? That doesn't matter. You don't have to have no money. Hmm? Okay. Okay. You can't expose a motherfucking thing. Hmm? Because the truth of the matter is, what you over there trying to expose, like it says, you're a deadbeat. You can't read. You have no comprehension. Because guess what? If you did, you wouldn't even have presented the top part of this motherfucker. You know what you would have said to yourself? You would have been like, nah, I'm not even the only, I'm just going to read what they saying the charges are. Shannon D. Brown, plaintiff, Lackawanna County City, Scranton Detective Tom J. Davis, Detective Vincent R. Brunswick, Probation Officer Nina Gomez, Defendants. Know what your legal terms are, motherfucker, before you come out here trying to rah, rah, rah at a bitch like me. Huh? Know what they are. I'm not the one looking stupid on these YouTube streets because now people really going to be looking at you like, wow, yeah, that happened. It happened. And I'm going to show you something else because you said, oh, it was already condemned previously. No, it wasn't because it says right here in this part of the fucking report, huh? It says right here in this part of the fucking report that you call yourself trying to read. You can't blast me. You or that nasty ass hands fucking bitch that's over there. What it say? Boom, on January the 8th between 5 and 6 a.m. On January the 8th of 2015. Huh? Plaintiff awoke. Plaintiff. Who's the fucking plaintiff, motherfucker? Huh? Who's the fucking plaintiff? Huh? You say it was previously already motherfucking condemned before they came up in there. Get your facts right, motherfucker. There you go. There you go. There you go. Huh? 1/8/15. What is that? Huh? Okay. Okay. So now this is what I want you to prove. I want you to prove those HIV motherfucking shit. I want you to prove those heroin charges. Because again, Sakina wouldn't have gotten not one fucking dollar. Huh? They could have sued me for defamation. I would have been in jail. The motherfuckers paid me. The same names that's at the bottom. I told you to call them. Ask them about the case. See if they can discuss it with you. Their insurance company's still paying me till this day, motherfucker. How about that? Nina was the probation officer. Call that bitch and talk to her, Tyrone. Y'all ain't gonna drag me with a motherfucking thing, not anything that I got paid for. Huh? Not anything that I got paid for. And I did illegal motherfucking imprisonment. They came in there, they said it was heroin in there. She was supposed to give me a fucking drug test. Illegal incarceration. Huh? I didn't see a judge for 60 something fucking days within any arrest. You're supposed to see a judge within 72 fucking hours, right? Okay, my nigga, I got paid. And you still on motherfucking YouTube getting laid and read like a rug. I'm not worried about none of that shit. Like I said, Shannon Brown died January the 8th, 2015, 5:30 in the morning. Now take that however the fuck anybody want to take it. I'ma live my motherfucking life. I'ma live my motherfucking life. Thank God I wasn't a Breonna Taylor case. Thank God I wasn't a fucking Mike Brown case. You don't know what the fuck happened or what went on in that fucking house. Only thing you saw was drug raid and this. I don't give a fuck. Because I'm a living motherfucking story, living testimony, huh? Of corruption of the police. Yeah, I am talking about him. I am. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck no more. And that's where I'm at with all this shit, far as with YouTube. I don't care anymore. You're going to judge me, you judge me. You're going to love me, you're going to fucking love me. You can't destroy me off of a fucking lawsuit that was filed between detectives and the motherfucking you can't destroy me with that. You destroyed your motherfucking self with it. Because if you knew what the word plaintiff and defendant meant, motherfucker, you wouldn't even have wasted your time reading it. And you want to know something? At the end of the day, guess what, Mimi? I'm here. I'm here to tell what happened to me. That's why when it was, they found drugs in that house, like I said, people, y'all believe whatever y'all want to believe. If there was drugs found in that house, I would have not been compensated for none of that shit. Time in jail, compensated for the shit that I lost, compensated for mental evaluations. I would have not ever been compensated and being compensated till this day by those motherfuckers. It wouldn't happen. I live up in the fucking Pocono Mountains where the good old boys is at. You honestly think up in Scranton they letting a nigga walk away and I was able to stay there? You 8 years, 7 years behind, motherfucker. Y'all still trying to figure out where the fuck is she at? After that shit happened, and when I filed for that motherfucking lawsuit, when I got out of jail in April, I filed for that lawsuit, sent the paperwork to motherfucking Big Red. He did it from his jail cell, bitch. If this ever happen again with these same names that's on, I'm gonna put y'all on to something. This is why when I said to y'all, I said, when I got that motherfucking lawsuit, I feel like I signed my voice away. I told y'all that. I said that. I said, when I got that money, I feel like I signed my voice away because these names right here, if that shit, Vincent, Thomas, Brunswick, Davis, Gomez, if any of these people ever do the same thing to someone else, guess what I can't never do? I can't never testify on their behalf. I can't never get up there and say, oh, this is what happened to me. Because when you take that motherfucking money, you're signing a fucking contract. You're signing a clause. You can't sue them. You can't go to the newspaper about this. You can't do none of that shit. None of that shit. Exactly. So before you try to expose any motherfucking thing, you should have exposed the word. You should have motherfucking went and looked for the word plaintiff and defendant. So motherfucker, when it said Brown versus Lackawanna, it should have told you right there. There was a lawsuit filed. I didn't lose, motherfucker. I didn't lose. You out here telling these motherfuckers, oh, she's on Spice and nigga, please. Nigga, please. They also said that they found pills in there, but they came in there in search of heroin. Make it make sense. They busted in there for heroin. But they say they find 3-point weed, and that isn't even anything, spice, and pills. So the question remains again, how did they find any type of drugs in that house? And what you are presenting to us is a fucking file for a lawsuit. Okay. See, what you fail to understand is this. When I first came to YouTube, I told the people, I said, I filed a lawsuit against some people. I said, but I don't want to talk too much about it because I don't want to, what you might say, jinx it. I don't want to jinx it. But when I started getting the call for the fucking lawyers for settlement money, that's when I came back here and I told my people, I got a phone call. I got a letter. Huh? I'm not beat. I'm not worried. Nigga, I got paid. How about that? You got people on motherfucking YouTube saying you're HIV positive, my nigga. File a fucking defamation of character. I'm saying it, you're HIV positive. You can pull up everybody else's shit. Pull up your health records. I bet you can't do that. You said I'm in trouble. Who I'm in trouble with? Who I'm in trouble with? Why don't you go do some more digging and go do some more research? Who am I in trouble with? Because I'm not on probation. So who am I in trouble with? Oh, okay. You ain't doing anything to me. Tell that bitch with the crunchy hands that you need some more fucking money. Huh? Because you need some more motherfucking money. Like I said, when that shit happened, Shannon Brown is dead. 5:30 in the morning, January 18th. And I started living my life as fucking Sakina Thorogood. Whoever has a problem with that, I don't give a fuck. I'm going to live my life as who I live my life as. Yeah. So keep digging Shannon Brown up. I don't care. I don't live my life as Shannon Brown. When y'all do shit like this, at the end of the day, and y'all want, people to, y'all don't know, maybe if it's shit dealing with police. You don't know if I could have been in a witness protection program or some type of program of something. You don't know. But you're going to find out. You're going to find out the hard way. Okay. You are. You're going to find out the hard way. So I'm not, at the end of the day and at the end of this life, I'm not worried. I'm still going to come back. If the people accept me, they accept me. If they don't, they motherfucking don't. You didn't do anything to me, but just showed these people that I filed for a lawsuit. That's it. One that I won. That's it. Now carry on. Who you going to move to next? My mom?
I'm sorry, Sakina. I had my Bluetooth speaker on and it wouldn't play my sound. But what I was gonna say is he's so ignorant, so thirsty, and so quick to put out information.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if he has a problem with comprehension skills
He
or
doesn't
does
know
he
how to
just flat
read.
out lie.
He doesn't know how to read, okay? Because even in the parts that he tried to, as he tried to read it, what he kept on going over was certain words, okay? And certain words that he kept going over was plaintiff. He kept skipping over those words or defendant, and that would have gave people a better understanding of what he was, what was going on. What did that say on there?
Huh?
Brown v. Lackawanna.
Yeah, Laka Waka is what he kept saying. Laka
It's
Waka. I'm like, what?
Brown versus Lackawanna, meaning there was a lawsuit.
He don't. That boy. He
Not
don't
only
know what
that,
you went through. He don't know
he
what
said,
you went through.
hold on. Arrest regarding the current charges to which I'm being possessed into the county for possession of marijuana. But you said that, I was already on probation for prostitution. So was it prostitution or possession of marijuana? Which one was it?
Hey, Carla.
Plaintiff. You know what a plaintiff is? You know what Brown versus you read
No,
you
he doesn't
presented
know
this.
what it is. No, he probably knows what the defendant is. Because he said
Yeah, he
it.
don't know what a plaintiff, but you presented this, bro. You
I'm like,
presented the law, the what's the name of the lawsuit? That's all you did. Hmm? And I won.
hey,
I
girl.
won. I won in 2019. I was awarded. I was awarded my compensation. Okay. I'm good. That's why when y'all worried about people getting jobs or having jobs or y'all don't know what the fuck anybody is living off of.
Thank
You have no fucking idea.
exactly, Kel. She don't have to prove herself. I don't know why you feel the need
It's
to.
not about proving myself. It's not about proving myself. This is my thing. People try to expose you out in these motherfucking YouTube streets or try to tell your story. You can't tell my story better
Right.
than me because I am the one who was there.
Well,
That's why it's my story.
I don't know if he don't understand that. I don't know what he does. He really think straight drop has to go to court? I mean, does he?
Not only that, what he did do was hold on. And what I am going to do, I'm going to take some screenshots because he put those. I said for them to call them, but you want to know what he did? He did put their names out on that. What's the name? Forrest with that report.
He did what?
He put their names out there.
Only
Oh,
thing was it say 1869, which is his channel name. It's always said that, and
mhm,
only person that put their name was Carla, and Carla acknowledged that she did give them her name.
mhm,
So I don't even know if Carla has to go to court. I think Carla probably may have probably be something virtual.
mhm,
I don't know. He's crazy.
mhm. I don't give a fuck how crazy he is. He also stupid. He better learn how to read. Know the difference between plaintiff and defendant before you go up there putting somebody else's shit out there. Try to feel as though that you're trying to clown them because you end up looking like the clown yourself, Joker. I'm just saying, you the one who look like the clown right now, not Sakina.
He tried to go do those little uploads on you, Straight Drop. I don't know who else today, and he just made himself look even more crazy. I mean, because he don't know what he's talking
Mhm.
about. In both cases, he's putting out misinformation.
Yeah.
That's misinformation. He keep trying to spin a narrative. 1869, you talk to the police. You try to get me locked up. Da 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 da. Carla, you're here too. Well, what about what you did? What about what you said? He just like a little kid. Well, they hit me first. Or they did it to me first.
Sir, it does. Listen, at the end of the day, you can tag me in anything that you want to tag me in. I'm going to take a screenshot of this. Plaintiff versus Lackawanna County. Go ask Mo, what does verse mean in court?
Right, his girl. Maybe that's why he always been
Man,
riding her coattail
damn.
hard. He been
God damn.
getting
At the
her
end of the
behind.
day, all this that you're doing, it doesn't matter because this is a lawsuit. Huh? I was supposed to get a listen. It says it right here. Plaintiff didn't have a probation revocation hearing to what she was entitled under gag 9 411 US 778 1973 ID. Do you want me to, keep putting this type of stuff up for let me put this up for you.
He don't know what it mean no way.
Let me put this. Yeah, I'm gonna put this up because
He don't
see,
know what it mean, girl.
yeah, it doesn't matter, sir. All this shit that you're trying to put up.
Until he show us a negative HIV test, all this other shit he keep talking about is null and void. Show
What?
that. If you
Oh,
want to show us something and
yeah, I'm
shut
gonna show y'all this.
everybody up,
Yes.
show a negative
This is how
HIV test.
stupid you are. It's telling you right inside the motherfucking shit about all the violations of my fucking civil rights. Can you laughing at me because I have my civil rights violated?
He don't probably know what civil rights are.
I'm gonna show y'all something, and when I show y'all this, anybody who has ever been on probation, who has ever dealt with parole, or whoever ever been locked up, and when I'm about to show y'all, y'all about to be like, "Damn, he is about the dumbest motherfucker ever for even putting that up there."
Hey, I'm gonna drop down and go take my puppy out, but I'm gonna be listening.
Yeah, I'm
I'll
about
be
to
back
show
up.
y'all
I'll be
something.
back up.
Is this the part right here?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
I'm
Yeah.
gonna drop down and take my puppy out, and I'll be right back.
Okay, bro, it doesn't get no dumber than you. God damn. It's going to show you a date and everything. You think you clowning me, bro. You are, this is, and the sad part about it is every time you make an upload or you try to do something, right? They can go read all this shit for their self. All this. You said that I got prostitution charges and these heroin charges. I'm about to blow this up for y'all. So y'all can read it for y'all fucking self. Okay. Upon entering the prison, plaintiff was told there was a warrant for her arrest regarding current charges to which are being processed into the county for possession of marijuana. Plaintiff was held in the county prison from January 8th, 2015 until March the 7th, 2015 without seeing a magistrate, judge, or any other court official. Plaintiff did not have a probation revocation hearing to what she is entitled under gag 9 versus whatever that is. I mean, is there anything else you want to put out there? Hmm? Hmm? I was entitled from January the 8th to March the 7th. I didn't see a judge. Go ahead and laugh about it, because you want to know something? I got paid. He dumb as fuck of law address people by their alias. I got paid. So what else is it that you want to, put out there? They can go read whatever it is that they want to read. Guess what they reading, bruh? They reading plaintiff had a court hearing on March the 7th. And this was the first she saw a magistrate on March. Hold. Let me go get this other part. This is good. It is. It's good. Hold on. I got something for y'all. Hold on. I was informed by them that heroin. Hold on. Okay. After she went to Gomez told her she was going to the prison. Hold on. Okay, that goes from I can't. Okay, hold on. Now, mind you, he said, I had these, I was on probation for prostitution charges. Well, I'm pretty sure that that's what it would have said in there, too. It would have said that. Hey, Vonnie. I'm waiting for this other part to come up. Like I said, you can't, nobody can cloud me off of anything that I've been through, okay? Because I've been through it. So, no, that's the one with the. sent the wrong one. Hold on. Okay, I took the same picture. I think I did. Okay, here we go. March the 25th. It's just to a point where I don't care anymore, shit. Because when people start putting allegations out on you about, they was looking for you, and no, they wasn't, because my name would have been a part of the warrant. And why didn't I get the warrant? Why did I go to jail and didn't see a judge? Why did I get a probation revocation hearing? Huh? If I got locked up January the 8th, something in that motherfucking sauce wasn't clean. Okay. That's why they tell you, when you move to a new address, what you supposed to do? Change your address on your license, right? Okay, you wouldn't know anything about that motherfucker because you don't have a license. That part. That part. March 7th, 2015, and this was the first time she saw a judge or magistrate. On the 25th of 2015, plaintiff was taken to court, at which time her public defender asked if she wanted to go home today. That day, she responded, yes, she did. He told her, hold on. He told her that defendant Gomez had been in the courtroom minutes earlier, but she left when she was informed that plaintiff could not be violated for summons offenses. She was there. Why would the probation officer leave? Huh? Read that shit right, motherfucker. Let's read that again. Huh? March 7th, 2015. That was the first time I saw the magistrate, and that was a video. On March the 25th, I was taken to the courthouse, at which time her public defender asked her if she wanted to go home that day. She responded she did. He told her that defendant Gomez had been in the courtroom minutes earlier, but left when she was informed that the plaintiff could not be violated for a summons offense. Huh? Now, I know motherfucking well that a drug raid is not a summons offense. It said it earlier. I was on probation for marijuana. It said it. But you get spice out of all that, right? The public defender advised to plead guilty and appeal to the case within 30 days. Plaintiff pled guilty, but thought she was pleading guilty to marijuana charge rather than disorderly conduct charge to what she actually pled to. Plaintiff was not released from prison until April the 6th, at which time her home had been condemned. Hmm? Hmm? Oh, there's more in there. Hold on, there's more in there. I mean, hey, there's more in there. Because see, what you said in here, stuff that you're trying to put out on me, right? Look, 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 look. Your second line is already defamation. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it is your second line because it says Jamaican corporate lady. We don't care about no lawsuit. That apartment was already condemned at the time of your. It was you said already. Hmm. Hmm. That's not what we just read though, is it? Huh? That's not what we just read. Hmm. Is that what we just read, dum dum? I just want to. Huh? I just want to know since you want to show and tell. Hmm? At which time her home had been condemned. On what day was it condemned? January the 8th, 2015. Hmm? Okay. Okay. So I just want to know what you're going to try to spark up next. I don't care about that link that you sent. It doesn't matter. Once people really get to read what happened, or they have an understanding between a plaintiff and a defendant, is how stupid you're going to look out here on these YouTube streets. I'm about to drop my link. Anybody want to come up and ask any questions or have anything to say, you can feel free to do that. If not, Sakina is about to get the fuck up off of here. That part. So, I mean, are we going to be able to see hold on. Nobody's coming up. Like I said, I'm not coming back tonight, but whatever. Y'all go over there and hit the link and go read the report yourselves. The lawsuit report. Good night, you guys.